Hi everyone, today I wanted to do a little unboxing. Mould King 13106, the forklift. Well, without further ado, let's open this one. I chose this model because the previous two models I made were the wheel loader and the truck and tractor, which were all pneumatics. Kind of want to make something mechanical again. I got the tires. I hope it fits the truck scale good. I think it will. Tires are a lot smaller. Plus it's got 5 engines. 4 medium motors. Or those are the large motors. And an XL motor. The XL for driving, I think. And the others for the functions. Looks like we got 5 steps. I've already seen the bag number 5. 6 steps. Battery hub. Manual. I don't see a sticker sheet yet. Let's dump the rest out. It's way more efficient. Let me sort these bags. And there we are. We have our bag 1, 2 bags number 3, bag number 4, big bag number 5, and 2 bags number 6. Looks like this is the pallet. Also got a bag of string. I'm really excited to see a bag of string. Pins, and some plates. Looks like that is the container on the pallet. Manual. Yeah, that's the remote control. The remote control receiver and battery box. Right here we got the motor bag. And that's about it. Looking forward to building it. If you want to see me building it, follow and leave a like or a comment if you have a question. Have a good one.